Track là hot vậy.
Alright, good. So okay, pivot, close this one. Now we make this one. Pivot understand or not? He understand or not? Something? Yeah. No, wait. He understand or not? Right,
Thơ nào? Thơ game nào?
we make this game, okay?
Tiếng thơ nào?
Okay, close. Now close.
But
We make to the Android now.
Yeah.
So okay, this one just minimize here.
Trực phò lương.
Oh, okay. Flappy button click. Flappy button that I click here. Pivot. Close your YouTube's and screen record. Okay, play that one. Pivot. Can play or not? We make this one, okay? We are making this one like this game. Do you like? Record. Full. Okay, play. We make this game, okay? But we make this game to the for Android, okay?
Bốc ta.
Okay, now we make this one, okay? Let's get it started. Okay, close. Now you go to the bad logic. You go to the lib GDX Google Chrome. Lib.
Chừng bốc là hot chẳng. Chừng ngon này.
Lib. No, to the lib. Type lib. Lib lib. GDX. Good, enter. Okay. Another lib. Lib lib. GDX. Okay, download now. Get it started. Set up project. You can read some if you have time, then you can read all the documents there. Okay, they have a guide. Now we don't need to do this one because we already installed the Android Studio, so they recommended for Android Studio ID. This is IntelliJ ID and others Eclipse and Net. What is it now? Yeah. No ID if you don't have ID or NetBeans or etc. So go to top, then click setup. Not there, click setup here. Okay. Now it will ask you to download GDX. Okay, so go to the GDX, lift up, and go to the release. 93 release they have.
Anh ăn đọt đấy, ngon hẹn đâu.
You can play this one. No, that doesn't work that one. Down. Next. Which one is that? Yeah. Maybe that one. Okay. Click to the asset there. Asset. Okay, that one is 5. Okay, just click to download.
Sao ta? Apa việc vui cho không?
Okay, you already download here. Okay. GDX. Oh, you already have download. 2 times download. Okay. Click one. No. Click to the here on the folder icon. Okay. Now you have here, right? Okay, this one you can save anywhere in the desktop or documents, but you can move to the application. Okay. Now open the application and control command, or you just right click to open. That just now we downloaded. Yeah. Right click. Okay, because this is unverified developer, so open.
Track là hot vậy.
Alright, good. So okay, pivot, close this one. Now we make this one. Pivot understand or not? He understand or not? Something? Yeah. No, wait. He understand or not? Right,
thơ nào? Thơ game nào?
We make this game, okay?
Tiếng thơ nào?
Okay, close. Now close.
But
We make to the Android now.
Yeah.
So okay, this one just minimize here.
trực phò lương.
Oh, okay. Okay, now click down. Click here. And do like sweep like this. Okay, sweep. Where is the GDX? We have downloaded. Oh, okay, I'll define here. So okay, we have leave GDX. Okay, here we have here. Okay, so maximize your double click and maximize some full. You can see them full here. Okay, maximize the double click up here on the bottom. Okay. Okay, so what you do? Oh, you don't make the max. Your mouse is not working well.
Working.
Double click. Or you
This
can
one
pull.
don't want to use.
Jenny.
Okay, good. So project name, you can write here project name. Okay, just write Flappy Bird. Pivot, Flappy Bird. Flappy Bird. FLAPPY.
S.
F.
No, S.
F. Capital. Okay, write a capital F. F. L. A. No capital. Small letter L. Oh. L. A. PPY. Okay, bird. I. R. R. D. Okay, Flappy Bird. So Flappy Bird. This one is package name. This one is unique. You have to unique. Okay. Suppose you have to write com and Samnang Hang or com or any company name if you're working with a company. Okay. So okay, this one here. This one is select here. Control and A is select. You see, I'll select. Right. Space. COM. Okay, write your name. No capital. Small m. Write your name, P1.
Search more.
This one S also is small. Better because you can write B capital letter also, but it's better to write small. Okay. Okay. Now this one main. Click here. Click to the main. Double click. Click. Okay, delete that one. Okay, right. This one right here. Same. Package name is the same, Flappy Bird. You can be better. No, cannot write like that. Class name is not dot, not underscore. It will be right. You can write the F capital and Flappy Bird same. You can write that one. Big F, capital F. P also you can write capital. Better to understand.
Y. B.
I.
B-I-O. D. B-I.
Chữ ngồi mua bên trong.
R.
Ây làm tiếp đây. D.
Okay. Now click here. Click to the platform. Samna. Click to the platform. So we are going to develop. This is for only we develop for Android. Okay. You can even develop HTML. Just now you play in the internet. That one is developed by HTML. Okay. Just now pivot play. That one is developed by HTML. Okay. So no, not don't click. This iOS is for iPhone. Android for Android phone. So HTML is you can use the HTML, and desktop they legacy already because they don't have a maintain server, share, and other so many platforms, right? So we don't select desktop. We only select Android and core because this core is it come together. You cannot unclick the core. Android. Okay, desktop, unclick desktop. Click. Okay, now Android. Select the Android only. Okay, now click OK. Okay. Okay, so we don't need anything else there. This one language, because it default by Java. You can click the language. You can check something. If you wanna know, then what is this? Groovy, Kotlin, and Scala. Okay, so we don't need to change anything that one. Click OK, and then also extension. So you can check the extension. So we don't need anything. Box 2D. This is the got 2D games, right? So we no need to click that one. Just click OK. Also, this one we just third party. We just leave as default. Okay. So this one is like this is the lib GDX version and Java and the app version and the GUI asset. If you want to use GUI asset, no need to add. So project path. Click to the project path. Okay, we save to the desktop. Okay, click the desktop. Can make a new folder here. Okay, just we say the Flappy board in the desktop. Samna? You can say the desktop. No, you have to make a new folder there. No need to delete. Just click there. In the desktop, make a new folder. Open. Okay, now Android SDK. So you open the Android Studio just now. What is the location? We have the Android SDK path in the Android Studio. So you can check the from the more action. The more action there. There's got SDK manager. Find the SDK manager. What is that? No, is the location is this one. User, Samnanghang, library, and SDK. That one you can copy, but you cannot paste. I think so. You have to find out over there. Okay. So what to do now? Just go to the here and find that one. Is user Rusahang. This one is. Where did you find SDK? Just select SDK. Okay. Open. Good. Now we already renamed the package name, right? Com Samnanghang and com pivot nara. Pivot nara, and then just generate now. Generate. Click one. Okay, generating. Now exist. When we study some writing code, then Sleepy. Exit. Now all the camera is recording there. Now that cancel that one. Now pivot also cancel this one.
No.
Cancel. Okay. Cancel also. Now we just open here. Just now where we save. Open for project. Click the desktop. Where we save just now. Flappy bird. Okay, then just all the folder there. Open. Huh? Yeah. Flappy bird. Open. Trust project, because we generated this one, right? Use the Android Studio SDK. Android Studio is better. Trust project. Pivot. If you after you done know, then tomorrow I ask again. Okay. Trust project. Okay. Android Studio SDK, because we use a different SDK just now, right? We just copy but same SDK. Okay. Double click here. Wait. Why is it running? Just I have to wait. You may minimize. You can minimize this side. This I think this is just now only you install them. It will take a few minutes. Okay. It will take a few minutes. After that, boring. My day. No, my day. Okay. You have to wait. You see, is a Gradle file is syncing, but it need to be. Don't close anything. Don't touch anything. Okay. It will take time.